Hello everyone. So today it's again on a very nice day outside, so we're gonna have some fun with this baby. This one is a TLR camera, call it Cosmoflex. Um, Generally those Cosmoflex cameras appear around 1952, probably up to late 1950s. And from what I know, there were at least three types: Cosmoflex 1 and 2 and 3. And typically they have a shutter, call it Luna shutter. But this one, as you can see, they have a lustre shutter, which is kind of funky. It's more like a prototype. And I know that lustre shutter typically goes on another kind of camera, which is obviously a lustreflex camera, and that is from around 1955. So it's quite interesting that this small company, call it Alpha, actually was working with other Japanese camera, and they look like they use their shutter on their cameras. So let's have some fun with this one. Let's go around and shoot some film. I'm really curious how this camera will perform, and we'll have some fun. All right, so no more talk. Let's put this baby to work. Okay.